This one mindset shift helps me stay consistent for literally hundreds of days. Instead of forming your habit as an order, as a command, you form it as a question. Hi, I'm Laksana, just an average person who's trying to be consistent. I wake up every single day and do 100 push-ups before 5:30 a.m. every single day, and it's fully documented on my Instagram. You can just check it out. This is July 20th, 2025, and this is going to be day 377 of consistently helping people build consistency. So I'm trying to put this as polite as possible, as respectful as possible. When you are telling yourself to do 10 push-ups every single day, some of the days it might feel like a command. And let's just be honest with ourselves. We don't really like to be commanded, even by ourselves. Some of the days we think to ourselves, you know what, I do not want to do 10 push-ups. I just want to be lazy and doom scroll for hours and hours. So how do we actually fix this problem? We reframe the order into a question, okay? So we ask ourselves, am I able to do 10 push-ups today? So basically this is a reflective question, okay? And by this reflective question, we are basically making ourselves aware that, you know what, I realized that, hey, actually I can do 10 push-ups today. It's actually a privilege to be able to move, to be able to maintain my health. And again, I'm trying to put this as respectful as possible, but when you just realize that not everyone can actually do 10 push-ups today, maybe they are sick, maybe they are just unable to do so, well, you realize that, hey, there are actually millions of people out there wanting the same opportunity that I have right here, right now. And it's going to feel really, really weird not to take that opportunity to basically maintain my health. So you basically reframe your perspective on how you see your habits. Don't see it as orders, see it as gifts. That's how you actually be consistent at doing something. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join our Discord. And also, for today's Day Authenticity post, today's July 20th, 2025, and today's memes are posted an art sculpture post last 24 hours, GMT +7, but this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I do not have an editor. Thank you.